Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras. Four of Pentacles, King of Swords, Eight of Wands, guys. With these cards, Libras, I feel something is coming at a fast pace towards you. Maybe this person is coming with a gift to propose to you, or some friend is coming over to visit you, something of that, guys, or some news about your promotion or something regarding your work. You may be taking up a new work, something of that sort, guys. But something is coming at a great pace, and it is promising happiness and a bright future for you, that news. So you are really happy how your life is going. You are having that emotional contentment, and you feel your skills are being used well, whatever you're skilled for, and wherever you are today, you are having that satisfaction, because you are in that position that you have achieved what you wanted, guys. So that is the way you feel. That is the energy with these cards, guys. Maybe this person is coming towards you very quickly in a short notice, something of a like a surprise visit or something. Or you may be planning to visit them in a short notice, without informing them, surprising them, planning to surprise them with gifts or something of that sort, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Libras. Let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, and then I'll be giving the fairy guidance today. Lilies, clover, birds. So with these cards, Libras, I feel some opportunities coming your way, something very sudden. Just like I said, something is happening just to surprise you. Some opportunity is coming towards you, and it is not going to last long. So you need to be prepared to analyze it and use it immediately, guys. So it is not going to last forever, guys, and you are going to be extremely lucky. This may be in your relationship or in your work, or this person feels you are lucky, or they are lucky to be in this relationship with you. They feel this relationship stands for that intimacy, harmony, understanding, affection, and love, and they are very much attracted to you, and they want to be there, committed to you in this relationship, Libras. Or this may be your energy towards your person. You may want to go into marriage with this person. You want to marry them and settle in life, maybe for some of you all. And some what to say, for some of you all, you may be discussing your future, about this progress with friends or family or with this person, or you may be getting some important information regarding your life, something your person may come up with. That may be an engagement or a proposal, or their ideas for your future together, something of that sort, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, Libras. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us today with. I'll be picking two cards, guys, from the fairy guidance deck. Fairy of the Divine Hand, Eclipse Mermaid. So the fairies guidance message for us today, guys, is sometimes in life we are faced with situations where we feel the temptations to do something wrong. So when we have the temptation to do something bad, we need to take a pause, guys, think within ourselves and see with our intuition what is right and then do it. So our intuition will surely guide us to take a pause and stop what we are planning to do. So we don't have to feel sad or bad about this temptation. All we need to do is have understanding and be thankful that we are able to identify what we were planning to do and take the opportunity to escape from that situation, guys. So that is what the fairies are guiding us to do today. So sometimes in life we find the truth about people, or people may find truth about us. So there may be revelations or scandals going on around us. So when such situations arise, we just learn what is right and what is wrong, guys, and it gives us such a great experience, and it gives us such a understanding in our life. So when things are going in such a strong way, like in our lives, some things are happening with such immense strength that may be disruptive for us. It may give such an emotional shock for us. We just need to understand that it is the universe playing its part, and we just need to leave the resistance from our side and accept as things are happening around us, guys. So the fairies are telling us that destiny may be playing a part in our life. So whatever things that are going to manifest will manifest, and whatever things that will not manifest, how hard we may try, guys. So that is the reading for today, Libras. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.